Guys, welcome to Juliana vlog, and today I'll be throwing some stone down by the pit. So some of these stones that you're seeing here, I will be removing them and putting them down by the pit. If it's the first time that you come across my channel, welcome, and thank you so much for being here. And to all returning viewers and subscribers, welcome back.
Boom, I your boy Asian boy. I'm there I watch Julian vlog. You say if you not watch it, you need to go watch it right now. You need to go check out that girl. You need to do it right now. Right now I hit me and watch and I buy this thing. You hear that? Right now.
Guys, welcome to Juliana vlog, and today I'll be throwing some stone down by the pit. So some of these stones that you're seeing here, I will be removing them and putting them down by the pit. If it's the first time that you come across my channel, welcome, and thank you so much for being here. And to all returning viewers and subscribers, welcome back. It's another amazing video, guys. So I'm doing a room and a bathroom with kitchen. So may I take time put some stones down by the pit cast already. Mega show no. Let me show you guys. Are the stone, see the pit already cast, but you see where you see the iron, because I'm widening it because I want to put a tank on top of the pit. So I don't want it to be that small. I want it to come out a bit where it can hold the pressure of the water when it goes there. So these are some stones that I've been moving down to this section. So I've been throwing stones from up the top there coming all the way down there. So that's the amount that I've thrown so far. I don't think I've been up this side for about maybe about 10-15 minutes. I may have been up here, but I'll be continuing the process and let you guys watch me while I work. Alright guys, so these are the stones. These are the stones that I've been throwing down. So I need these stones to flow out all the way around this section. So you know, so I have to go creep with the dry trash them and stuff. Yeah. And I'm just using all size stone, guys. All size. I'm using all size stone. And show you where I've been taking stones from all these areas to go right around the pits. So the part I already leave out where the pipe is gonna go. But I don't want to put the pipe in yet, so when they're gonna dig the foundation, I don't want them to mess up the pipe. So I have to leave the pipe out for last. Yes, guys. The trash them. I'm gonna take away the trash them from here, so I'm gonna line off right around the pit, right around mega with the stone. So I'm going all the way right around, right around. I'm going with it. So want the pit for more wide because I'm gonna be putting something on top of it. So I want it to be wide enough because I don't want to put the tank like in the middle of it. So henceforth the reason why you're seeing all these steel hang off because I'm gonna carry it over a little further where we can just catch it like to the edge of the pit. Okay, so all of these stones, the big ones them, I'm not gonna take up a big one them, I only can roll them to where them fi go. But for now, I'm not touch the big one them for go hurt up my back because the other day carrying up the sand and the gravel hurt my back. So I'm not go take up these gigantic stone, this monster stone. I'm not gonna take them up. I'm sorry. I am so sorry, but anybody coming to finish pocket, they will have to handle that part of the job. Hmm? They would have to handle that part, not me. This is how far I have reached on throwing down the stones. So these are the stones that I threw down. Let me go around this tree. So these are the stones. So girl taking our time to go all the way around to widen this pit, and so I can able to put whatever I'm putting on top so it won't cause too much pressure. So all I need a few more stones. I may use stones or something to back up around this section where the steel hangs out and then cast it off. I think I may just get something to nail up around there and then throw the stones in and then throw the mixture on top of it to hold it. Yeah, but I'm going and get, I put the zinc, that little piece of zinc here, so that's nothing can drop down in the hole. to like cover it up. I don't want nothing to cover it up. So this is what your girl is doing. One thing when it comes to hard work, a girl don't run from hard work. Girl is such an independent girl. Girl like to do things for herself. So what am I gonna do now? I'm gonna cool off, take a wash off, and get something to consume. Yes, guys. So I'll put out a fair amount of work for the day. So tomorrow is the next day. So tomorrow I make her sand or gravel. Not sure exactly what I'm gonna do, or maybe just finish off the rest of part them that need to go all because I need to go all the way around with the stone. So I may do that tomorrow, or I may just pay somebody to carry those stones because trust me, I can't manage the big stone them. I refuse to lift any big stone for damage my back. But see you guys. Please remember to watch the ads. The ads is very important. Watch the ads, guys. Bye, y'all. See you in the next video.